I do have some ab muscles. Like, stop playing with me, or is this just fat? I swore I would never do at-home workouts ever again. Woo! Right here on the sides. You're gonna feel that. I'm not losing a titty over here. Ciao. Hello, good morning. Today's a special day, y'all. Oh my god, this angle. I look like an egghead, but like, when do I not? This sun though. Anyway, welcome back. It's your girl Kayla Lachey, aka your virtual fitness bestie. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different, an at-home workout. I know, I swore I would never do at-home workouts ever again because I did enough of them to last me a lifetime back in quarantine. Those are the girls that have been here for a while before I made this YouTube channel. You already know. Embarrassing. I don't even know. I need to go back and look at those videos because my at-home workouts were a hot mess. It was really much a hot mess because I just did things before I really knew much about weightlifting. I started my fitness journey out in quarantine and I started with at-home workouts. Very limited, not a whole lot of knowledge. All I knew is I had one goal and one goal only, and that was to get thick. So today we're gonna attempt to do an at-home ab workout. I wanna keep it very simple, very quick, about 20 minutes. So I figured I would document my first ab workout in probably 2 years. So I have, you know, very non-existent core strength, I'm sure. I do engage my core a lot though. When I'm lifting pretty heavy, so I feel like it's not the weakest. But when it comes to like doing actual ab circuits, ab workouts, routines, I don't do them and I have not done them. But this year I definitely made it a goal of mine to prioritize that, maybe incorporate an ab day, maybe with cardio as well. Into like a weekly split. So that's what we're gonna try today. And I went down to the garage earlier, y'all. I have a yoga mat that I used in quarantine, and I had some dumbbells that I also used in quarantine. Dust, okay? So we're gonna have to get into that and wipe those things down. And I want to do weighted abs because I want there to be some like strength and like resistance involved. Maybe I should just start light and do body weight, but I feel like we'll be okay. I'm just excited to have abs this year. So let me show you what we're working with today because this lighting is gonna drive me nuts. I have sweats on because it's cold outside, but I wanted to wear this bra for a while. It is like the newer shade. I want to say it's called, let me Google it because I don't want to get the name wrong. But last time I checked, it is in stock. It's in stock. And then I decided to pair it with these Apex shorts because we love brown on brown. I do have some ab muscles. Like, stop playing with me, or is this just fat? I don't know. I just want to get snatched come summertime. But here's the fit. I love this outfit. We love a mix and match moment. So if you guys want to shop Gymshark, you already know you can use my discount code Lachey to get 10% off always. This is just such a nice stretchy material. And you know, I have like a flat stomach for the most part, but I know there's like a layer of fat, especially especially like the lower belly. I feel like as women, we mostly have a lot of our fat, if you have fat on you. Not everybody has fat, and they'll argue with us in the comments, but for me personally, I hold a lot of my belly fat in the lower pooch area, and I'm not on my period right now. That thing came and went, so I already know this is what we looking like, this is what we working with. So my overall goal this year is to kind of shed some of this fat and continue with my leg days, adding some cardio and some abs into my workout routine, again, because that's something that I just don't do. and I want to have more ab muscle definition in like my core area. So what is it, January now? Come June, July, August, I definitely want to see some changes here, but I have some upper abs, I guess. It's not like the worst thing ever. But I have Oxyshred here today, which definitely helps me lean out. And the flavor that we're doing, because I need some energy if we're going to be doing an at-home session, is the Poison Apple, which is super good. If you've tried their Sour Green Apple and the Pride, this to me tastes pretty much dang near the same. But this is the hardcore, which means we're going to get more energy and caffeine, which is why I prefer Oxyshred Hardcore for pretty much like working out and using it as a pre-workout. That's just my pro tip on Oxyshred and how I use it for working out when it comes to having an energy boost. But Oxyshred is a thermogenic fat burner. It also gives us energy. If you're trying to sweat, Oxyshred helps curb those bad cravings and speeds up our metabolism. So it really does a lot for us. Oxyshred, girl, I've been using since quarantine. So for me, it's really helped me. I am bulking, so I'm trying to actively put on muscle while also keeping the fat at bay. But like I said, I'm trying to do a lean bulk pretty much this year. I'm not in a rush to get as thick as possible like the old me used to be. So I want to do it proper, and I want to do my bulk like the right way, where I can see some muscle mass without feeling like uncomfortable in my body and feeling like fluffy and bloated or whatever. So that's what we're looking like right now, and I'm excited to do like a check-in in a couple of months to see, one, if I'm sticking to an ab routine, because I remember vividly saying, oh, I'm gonna do abs. Girl, I did one workout and never came back to do it again. Not gonna be me this year. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put these back on until I warm up, and we're just gonna get it in. I'm really excited though, because I love setting little goals and having something to work towards that's a very specific thing, instead of just being like, oh, I want to get thick. But like, girl, what does that mean? What do we want to do to get there, and how can we actually accomplish that? So if you're trying to set goals for your new year body, get specific with it, and then try to ask yourself, what can I do to get closer to that goal? So I just wanted to kind of do a little intro today. I need to like sanitize this. I have a dumbbell here. I grabbed a 10-pound weight. I figured that would be good to use for today's session, and then I have a yoga mat that is just a little bit dusty from the garage. So I kind of want to wipe this down, and I want to record it, so I need to find somewhere that has decent lighting so we can work out together. Like I said, quick 20-minute abs just to get into it and get a feel for like how weak we are essentially. But your girl is out here having hope, so we're gonna figure it out. I think I might do it over here though. But let's get a cheers, because we're gonna try to get over our own BS in 2024. And that means we're gonna be doing abs on the floor. On the floor. I just realized I don't know any ab workouts. Y'all, I'm like, what are we actually doing? Because no. Let me think of a workout routine, because I need to do this anyway, so I know what my routine is gonna be. So ab workout, I know that I used to do like, I need to focus on like lower abs, so we can do like some circles left and then right, and I don't know the proper names for these, don't ask me in the comments. We could do some leg and arm raises, weighted, plank, side to sides. I used to use ab gliders. I actually don't know, I probably threw them away. I should order some more, because when I used to use those, oh my god, the results were insane. So we got some circles left to the right. Leg and arm raises, like toe touching. Ooh, toe taps. Okay, some of these girls on Pinterest, I'm like, what are y'all doing? Because I'm not going to be doing all of that. See, my workout style, simple, basic, like what you learn in PE class at gym. I don't be doing no hit, y'all. That's the thing. That makes me want to puke up my food. I can't. I didn't even eat today. Which, honestly, when I'm doing abs, that's the thing. Like, I prefer to do it fasted, because if there's a whole bunch of food and stuff in my stomach, I feel like I'm going to barf it all up, because it's all core stuff. I cannot. So that's why I need to find a way to work it into my split, especially if it's only like a quick 20-minute thing. Like, that's fine. I'm not like lifting 400 pounds, you know, so I could do it fasted. All right, and then I'll do some new exercises in a new video if this works for me. Okay, I think I'm gonna film it here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see my dusty mat. Ooh, my mom would kill me if I had this foil in the background. That's for the dogs. Let's get it. Child, say a prayer for me. I can feel my food rumbling and grumbling. It's that Oxyshred, so I don't be doing abs. Okay, that was just the first workout, y'all. We got this. Planks. Am I losing a titty over here? Oh, Lord. I'm supposed to be doing 4 sets of 10. Ugh. Plank side to side. I need to take these pants off though. Ooh. Hot. Ooh. My stomach is making noises it's never made before. Okay, that's my third workout. Now let's add some weights. Ooh, Russian twist. How did I used to do this in quarantine? It's like it's all coming back to me. There was a period in my fitness journey before I wanted to gain weight where I had like a runner's body and I was doing hiking, a lot of cardio, a lot of Stairmaster, and a lot of abs. I'm trying to get back to that girl, just a little thicker. Russian twist. All right, let's do some like crunches. Ooh. For the lower belly. I feel like I need to come down here. Oh, Lord, help me, Jesus. That'll get you right here in the lower belly. We're gonna do some toe taps. Woo! Right here on the sides. You're gonna feel that. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Do we have abs yet? Okay, I'm taking a break. I don't like to take too much of a break in between. We did crunches, Russian twists, toe taps, side planks, a little push-up, wannabe. That's 5 workouts, y'all. I used to do another variation of, oh, I guess we could do like, I don't know the names of these, but like this. Hold on, I gotta get that coordination back. You got this, girl. Oh my god. Oh, we didn't do circles. That'll be the last one, and then we'll do a part 2. I'm supposed to hit legs after this at the gym, but I'm not doing this. Y'all, I'm not finna be doing all this at the gym. Wheezing like that, can't catch my breath. Oh, okay. Okay, circles. Oh. Hell to the no. That'll get you on the lower abs, y'all, and a little on the sides. I think that's enough for today. That was round 1. I would like to be at a place where I do that for 4 sets. Not today though, because I'm actually going to go hit legs, but that's a good assessment to see where I'm at when it comes to my core strength. I'm feeling tighter. I'm feeling toned from up here on the sides and lower belly, so I think that's a great routine to kind of hit all of those areas. Again, I'm gonna try some new exercises for my next ab routine. Y'all see how I'm wheezing right now? That's a great sign that we need to be doing this because we clearly don't got it. That was not 20 minutes, but it was almost 10, so we'll go with it. You gotta start small if you want to be realistic. If I like try to do the most, I'm not gonna enjoy it, and it's gonna be overwhelming, and it's gonna be too hard for me. But I'm happy that I did a little bit of something, and we busted out the mat and tried something new. So I hope that you guys enjoyed working abs out with me. Hopefully my next ab workout will be better than this one, and I'll be able to actually get through it without resting. I usually, back in the day when I did abs consistently, I'd be able to do exercise to exercise to exercise, basically maybe no break, just to get some water and get back into it. That's where I would like to be when it comes to my core strength. And I also think when I work on my core, doing more ab routines, it'll help me engage my core a little bit more when I'm doing my heavy lifts, like my good mornings and my squats and even hip thrusts, because you want to engage your core for that too. So I'm sweating. I'm gonna catch you guys. Thumbs up if you guys enjoy at-home workouts. I feel like you probably won't like this, but I won't know unless you hit the thumbs up button. Of course, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. I do a lot of fitness related content, you know, working out in the gym, food related things, cooking, activewear reviews, supplement taste test, and all that kind of stuff. So if that interests you, subscribe, okay? And I'll see you guys next time, because I feel like I'm gonna pass out.